What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM cards on your iPhone 15 Pro or whatever Apple iPhone 15 series smartphone you got. So here we go. So since the iPhone 15 Pro comes with a nano SIM card slot, make sure that you have a nano SIM and this SIM card tray ejector pin. The very first thing you have to do is switch off your device. After that you have to use this SIM card tray ejector pin. On iPhone 15 Pro, the SIM card tray slot is provided on the left side of the frame. Depending on which iPhone you got, you can just locate this SIM card tray slot, and on that you will find this tiny hole in which you have to insert this SIM card tray ejector pin and apply a bit of pressure, and then the tray will pop out. Just take it out. Here is my SIM card. Now you have to just look at the slot provided on this tray and find the shape of the nano SIM card. So here you can see it is totally matching with the slot and the shape of the SIM. So just put it like this. You can see it is perfectly fitting here. Now all you have to do is put it back in the device. So this time you have to be careful and make sure that this hole here is aligning with the hole here on this tray. So it will go like this. Now just slide it in. Now the SIM card tray with the SIM is inside the device, so just switch it on. You can see here at the top, right next to the battery logo, that it is detecting the SIM and the network. And now you can see that the signal is being detected and a message just pop up for the FaceTime and iMessage that you can turn it on because the device is connected to the telephone communication network. Now if you go to the settings and then you go to the cellular, here you will find some options and settings that you can use for your network connectivity. So you can select the network, you can turn on or off the Wi-Fi calling, and you can also go to the carrier services to check all of the options that you get from your service provider. So this is how you can insert the SIM card on your Apple iPhone 15 Pro or whatever iPhone you got. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.